All right, let's dive into a problem that pretty much everyone has, but with a solution that is surprisingly simple. We're going to talk about creating a digital command center for your home. Basically, a personal operating system for what is probably the biggest asset you'll ever own. It's all about taking back control and doing it for good.
So let me start with a scenario I'm sure is painfully familiar to you. You need to touch up a tiny little scuff on the living room wall. And all of a sudden, you're on this massive scavenger hunt, right? What was the exact paint color? The brand? The name? The finish? Where in the world is that information?
If you're like most of us, it's probably lost in one of these digital black holes. Maybe it's buried in an email from years ago, trapped on an old phone that's sitting in a junk drawer, or, and this is the worst one, the only record of it exists in the memory of a contractor you can't even get a hold of anymore. We just kind of accept this chaos as normal, but you know what? It comes with a real cost.
This is what we're calling home information chaos, and it's so much more than just a little annoyance. There's a hidden financial and mental tax that comes with being this disorganized, especially with your single most valuable asset.
This quote just frames the problem perfectly. Think about it. We don't usually lose money on our homes because of big, bad decisions. No, we lose it because critical information gets scattered, forgotten, or trapped. Every single time you have to remeasure something, or re-research a product, or just guess what was done before, you're literally leaking time and money.
So here's the absolute key insight. The problem isn't that the information doesn't exist, it's that it doesn't live in one single, organized place that you control. Not the builder, not the realtor, not the insurance company, you. This is all about reclaiming ownership of your home's data.
Okay, so if that's the problem, what's the solution? Well, we're calling it the Personal Home OS, or to put it more simply, the Digital Home Manual. It's the elegant, structured answer to all that chaos we were just talking about. And what is it, exactly? Well, it's really just a structured digital space, a place that you own and you control, that's designed to hold everything that matters for your home. We're talking documents, photos, plans, little notes, paint colors, all of it. Now, this part is really important. This is not some complicated app you have to learn, and it's definitely not a subscription service that locks your data away. At its core, it's just a system of simple folders and clearly named files. The real power is in the structure you create, not in some fancy software. You are always 100% in complete control.
The best way to think about it is like this. It's a personal operating system for your home. It's that foundational layer that makes everything else, all the maintenance, the renovations, even just daily living, run so much more smoothly and efficiently.
Now, I know what you might be thinking. Oh, great, this sounds like a massive, overwhelming project. But the entire philosophy here is to start small. In fact, you can lay the entire foundation for this system in the next 10 minutes. Seriously.
It really is this easy. Just 4 steps. 1. Create a single master folder for your home. 2. Inside that, make a few basic category folders, like appliances, paint, repairs. 3. Create a few blank documents inside those just as placeholders. And 4. Commit to naming your files clearly from now on. That's it. That's the entire foundation.
And remember, there's absolutely zero pressure to be perfect or to fill everything out right away. The most important step is just building the container. You're creating a dedicated home for all that future information to live in.
So why is this so much more than just a little organizing project? Well, it's because of its compounding value. This simple system that you start today becomes exponentially more powerful over time.
First, it gives you confidence. Imagine a pipe leaks. The old way is total panic. The new way is calm. You just open a folder, you find the plumber you used last time, and you see exactly what was done. It transforms these stressful emergencies into just manageable tasks.
Next, it gives you continuity. Your home has a story, right? A new roof, a furnace repair, that kitchen upgrade. This manual ensures that that story is never lost. It creates a seamless chronological record of your home's life that you can always refer back to. It also becomes your home's perfect memory. What was the name of that specific tile in the bathroom? When exactly was the roof replaced? You don't have to rely on your own memory anymore, because the manual remembers everything for you.
And finally, it gives you real-world leverage. When it's time to sell your house, or insure it, or do a big renovation, handing a professional a perfectly organized digital file, that's a power move. It shows you're serious, it makes their job easier, and that efficiency ultimately benefits you.
So over time, your manual evolves into something so much bigger. It becomes your home's external brain, a reference library for any question you might have, a protection tool in an emergency, a clear advantage at resale, and really, it becomes a legacy you can pass on.
I mean, just think about the power of this. Being able to share a complete, organized system with a future buyer, an insurance adjuster after a storm, a contractor before a big project, or even just a family member who needs to take care of things for you. Everything they need to know is right there, clear and simple.
The entire philosophy really just boils down to the simple mantra. Learn it once, log it once, use it forever. You find that paint color one time, you log it in the right document, and you never, ever have to search for it again. And if you take only one thing away from this today, please let it be this. You do not need to retroactively document your home's entire history right now. You just need to build the container. The most important thing you can possibly do is simply start. So I'll leave you with this final thought. We obsess over protecting our home as a physical asset, right? Alarms, insurance, all that. But we often completely neglect its most fragile and valuable asset, its information. So the question is yours protected?